In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the footer in Wix. Whether you're tidying up your website's design or just prefer a sleeker look, here's how to quickly remove the footer section from your Wix site. First, head over to the Wix website editor. This is your central hub for all things web design related on your Wix platform. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll be greeted by your site's main dashboard. Once you've accessed the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side. Here, you'll see an icon labeled Pages and Menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the pages your site currently has. Now, next to the page you'd like to modify, you'll notice 3 small dots. Think of these as the gateway to more in-depth page settings. Click on these 3 dots to expand your options. Now that you've done that, look for the label that says Settings. This is where you can really start to customize the specifics of your page. So, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs lined up at the top. You're going to want to select the one labeled Layout. This is key for making structural changes to your page, like removing elements you don't want or need. Now you're in the final stretch. You'll see various layout options in front of you. What you need to look for is a checkbox labeled No Header and Footer. By checking this box, you're telling the editor to remove the footer section from this particular page. Click on the checkbox to select No Header and Footer. That's all there is to it. Your page should now be footer-free, offering a cleaner, more minimalist appearance. Don't forget to preview your site to ensure everything looks the way you want it to. If everything checks out, hit the Publish button to save your changes. Remember, the process is entirely reversible. If you ever decide you want the footer back, simply uncheck that same box in the layout settings. I hope this guide helps you achieve your desired website appearance with ease. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other tutorials for more tips on making the most of your Wix site. Happy editing!